Let's talk about Ubontle Modesele no Pretty Ugly. That's why I get to Pretty Ugly, because he's quite handsome. So yeah, so Ubontle Modesele supported his man through a difficult time. Didn't keep it to Pretty Ugly. I'm sure that time means say primary or hey means say high school. The last time Pretty Ugly I keep a hit is Wagalive. Guys, but at least his woman is supporting him. Yabon, through thick and thin. That's what we need, guys. That's what Ramaphosa like. The 370 isabantu abaningi. Kanjani abantu babhlume emakhoneni ngalama 370 lawo bathola still bacela ama 2 rand. Nathi singasebenzi, ungabuza umuntu ongasebenzi na ungasebenzi umcela 2 rand. Where's the logic in that? Hayi guys, ngeke. Limbona lamntana lo uthandeka lapha lo Big Brother. Isishwapha. Uyi-Queen Shwapha lapha ku Big Brother, guys. Uyena uQueen Shwapha ke leya. Hayi uMakile Shwapha Queen right. Ibody yakhe. But uba neshwapha islender. That's an embarrassment. It's embarrassing ukuthi ube neshwapha islender. Yo. As guys, let's talk about any issue futhi. I'm a baby mama. Why abantu abanabantwana bafuna marriage from other men bangabasayilisanga? Ngeke ukuthi uyintombazana uzaliswe enye indoda ufuna enye indoda ikushade. Why baba umntana angakushadi? Why ungaphushi baba umntana angakushadi? If ukwazi ukumithela indoda, that's a big thing. Why don't you convince him to marry you? Yes, men do run away on all those things, but bocabangani la naye without a condom? Bocabangani ntombazana? To want us to be stepfathers, sibe yi-stepfather manje sikhulisa iy'ngane engasona izingane zingathi imfene, yazini ngathi imfene, ngathi amabutho kaZulu. Hayi mara ayile, this is not on guys, this is not on. Why Big Brother futhi Big Brother ayifuni ukustopha le ndaba yabo ukuthi beloko baveza ibunu on lokuzana on national TV. Abantwana babukele. Abantwana babukele. That's why abantwana manje sebabhizi nama OnlyFans, because of these things. The Big Brother. Guys, le show maningazi ukuthi niyenzeni kule show yeni, ngoni cancel once. Hayi kabi. Asilwi ngoni cancel guys, because ayikho into enifundisa abantwana. Netflix vezi showing bounds, Showmax. Yo guys, as Scandal played for the longest time, and manje njengoba siphela izwe sobuhlungu, because I didn't get a role up ku Scandal. It breaks my heart ukuthi angitholanga i-role on such a big show. Guys, ngeke guys. Manje ngabe nami ngithole something nami ezongiduduza ukuthi okay ngingene lapha. Yazi khona futhi inkinga futhi yama low budget productions lawa ku YouTube. Most of them, they don't pay ama-actors up. But they have a lot of views. The numbers are numbering. But why inganambari i-bank account yabantwana? Cabanga usuke maybe usuke ulando what is this? eTurffontein imali yakho. Maybe bakubize 5 times, 3 times. So spend more 500. Uloku ubuye. 500 ke phezulu. And then ungatholi imali. Or some of them they don't even get food. Bathola nokudla abanye abantu. Good those things, but hey Kasatan, i-cast iyona ezigatela yona self. Nondla le director le enama camera dura kanje. Akabolekanga futhi lama camera awakhe. Why so? Why ni so guys? Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing videos 5 days a week now. It's gonna be a strain on myself because I'm always tired, but it will be doable. Yeah, 5 days a week. I'll put more videos. Goodbye.